Hello guys, welcome to our next experiment, Experiment A, designing and making of concrete beam samples with
That's it.
Here are our materials that we are going to need for our experiment. So first we need our Portland cement, the sand and the gravel. We need the oil for the beam mold, which I don't know where. We have the beam mold here. This is the beam mold. The tamping rod, which I also don't know where it is, but it is accompanied with this a shovel, a trowel, and the mixing pan, which is somewhere here.
So now we're going to measure the length, width, and height.
Beam mold.
Kasi nga ako. Nakapasira. Si Jen, manjud na yung ay, nandito mo kay Jeff. James. Ay, James. Kasi tawag doon yung James.
Ano na here?
15.4.
Ang volume. Kita kasi makakakulang.
16.4.
So after we compute the amount of cement we're going to use, we have to weigh a 15.86 kilogram of cement. But first, we have to weigh the empty bucket. So it weighs 0.86 kilograms. And now we're ready to put a cement into the bucket. That's it.
Reminder to always wear goggles.
So guys, after we put the cement into the bucket, we need a 16.72 kilograms to achieve the amount of our cement. Oh, perfect. And this weight is included the weight of the bucket. Yes. And now we have to measure our aggregates, and now first is our coarse aggregate.
Atin to pa din. Iya po din. Walo kaya nga na.
Okay, so now we are sieving the sand to remove the excess large stones and other minerals that may be present in our sand.
Lord, I'm gonna die from this heat. Wala pa na puno? Wala ta kabatch ba eh? Hindi naman kayo sa kabatch.
So now we are going to mix the fine and coarse aggregates and the cement along with water to form a concrete mixture.
Kabalo na kung anong 17 taon
Lagi sa nakikita.
may nag-assume yung 10% na shrinkage factor na ano. Oo, mas ako. Pareha na kita na.
Tubig ba ako nagpa-water yun?
Yung ano, yung hose. Ito, ano,
Okay na ba to? Or do you want me to...
Okay guys, we're going to be performing a smoke test to test if our cement is already ready to be placed into the beam.
Mas practical ako.
So,
gamit sir trowel, no?
anong tapping rod? Behind you, wait.
Yung wala yung trowel.
Amaan yung ano? Every pilat sa meter sila before you make a
Estimate na 1/3. 3 layers na siya. So imagine na lang, tulo na ka layers, imo nang bahinon. So, tansya-tansya lang. 25 din karad.
Gano, yan na.
Yan na, 25. Ayan na.
Taiman pa na. Taiman pa after ma-fit. Diretso na.
Oh. Actually, ang process dapat 2 minutes lang. Pero ayan. Okay, rad sa gym.
Papahayang sa dyan. Diyan mo muna.
Namaw gym.
Huwili ka.
Outer. Okay, and then ibali na. Ibali. Okay. Iabay siya.
Ay, kailangan pa ninyo. Kanina.
Ay, gym, bilang. Dapat 2 to 4 inches.
Pwede na ba na level ang ilalo ha?
Lagi, bilang. Naman.
Bila?
Okay na na, 3.
Islam na niya.
So guys, after we do the slump test, we passed the slump test, and now we're going to fill the cement into the beam molds.
I-level ka dyan. Dili, iwi, magod niyo.
Butang niya pa.
Iwi, like, ang ano ba, ang surface. Sige lang. Ano, magamit mo ano? Gasin na yun. Ayan, ano. Kena mo? Taktaw?
And now we're on our second beam to fill.
Jo, ang simento, Jo, isip na daan.
Hi guys, so we concluded our experiment and it's not yet done since we have to come back here for the next day. However, we did the concrete mixture and that's it.
Okay, so now we've come back to our concrete blocks after 24 hours of removing them from the mold and placing them in